Good afternoon, friends and family. Ever wondered how you can invest yourself by start the want to earn an extra income? Okay, let me show you, explain you. This is the e-learning course. The e-learning course, you only get it online because it's an online product that can help you generate income by setting your own business up. It has 72 lessons that you must complete, and while you completing it, you can still earn money, American currency, if you post your videos and everything on your social channels like your TikTok, your Instagram. But when you click there on my website link that is on my YouTube channel, then that link takes you to this page. And if you're interested in making investment that can bring you American currency in, you put your email there. You click there, it takes you to another page called this one. Here they explain how everything works, so don't stress. And if you're ready to invest in yourself, your own online business, to invest in your own online business, then it goes here. And if you are ready to make it the purchase, you click there, and then you buy your own e-learning product from me. So yes,